Hi viewers, this is Thirmal, Commerce faculty from Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss one depreciation problem as per diminishing balance method. Right? See this problem. Shiva Traders bought a machine, means Shiva Traders purchased a machine for 75,000 rupees. Okay, on 1st April 2007. Depreciation is provided at 10% under diminishing balance method. Okay, depreciation rate is at 10% is given and diminishing balance method is given, diminishing or reducing balance method. Okay, both are same. On 31st March 2010, the machine became obsolete, means outdated. So that's why the machine will be sold for 30,000 rupees when the machine sold on 31st March 2010. Okay, next, prepare machine account assuming accounts are closed on 31st March every year. See the first financial years. So the financial year starts from April 1st. See this year 2007. Okay, see it is the first year. First year starts from April 1st 2007 to March 31st 2008. Next, second year starts from April 1st 2008 to March 31st 2009. Right, when Shiva Traders sold that machine, see this 31st March 2010. Okay, third year starts from April 1st 2009 to March 31st 2010. Okay, see this date 31st March 2010 means end of the third year. End of the third year Shiva Traders sold that machine. Okay, so we have to prepare machine account. At the time of preparing the machine account, we have to follow the rule of real account. Okay, what comes in debit, what goes out credit. Right, see this first, Shiva Traders purchased a machine, means machine comes into the business, so that's why machine account is debited. So we have to write in the debit side, it is the date 2007 April 1st to machine comes into the business. Next, cash goes out, so that's why cash account is credited. How much? 75,000. Okay, is there any installation? There is no installation charges given. Right, next, end of the first year we have to provide depreciation at 10%. Right, see this end of the year is 2008 March 31st by depreciation account. See this, what is the cost? 75,000 into what is the rate? 10%. 10 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel, next 0 0 cancel. 7,500. Okay, see this, obviously debit side is greater. 75,000 minus 7,500. See this, 75,000 minus 7,500, 67,500. So this is the end of the year March 31st by balance carried down. Okay, this balance is forwarded to the next financial year. What is the next financial year? April 1st 2008. See this, 2008 April 1st to balance brought down. How much? 67,500. Okay, next, end of the second year also we have to provide depreciation. At the time of providing depreciation, the machine value will decrease. At the time of decreasing the machine the machine account is credited, so that's why we have to write in the credit side. So what is the end of the second year? 2009 March 31st by depreciation account, right? So this depreciation is charged at 10% under diminishing balance method. Means depreciation is calculated on reduced value. See this, what is the reduced value? 67,500. So okay, the depreciation is calculated on this reduced value. Okay, 67,500 into 10 by 100. 0 0 cancel, next 0 0 cancel. How much? 6,750. Next, so again obviously debit side is greater, 67,500, 67,500. See this, 67,500 minus 6,750, 60,750 balance at end of the second year, March 31st by balance carried down. Okay, this balance is forwarded to the third financial year. What is the third financial year? See this, 2009 April 1st to balance brought down 60,750. Okay, so end of the third year, what is that? 2010 March 31st. We utilized, means Shiva Traders utilized that machine in third year also. So we have to provide depreciation for the third year by depreciation account. Say this, again depreciation is calculated on this reduced value, 60,750 into 10 by 100. 0 0 cancel, next 0 0 cancel. 6,075 rupees depreciation. Okay, but on this particular date the machine is sold. See this, the machine on 31st March 2010, the machine is sold for 30,000. Okay, at the time of purchasing the machine comes into the business, but at the time of sale of machine goes out. Okay, that's why machine account is credited. So we have to write in the credit side, machine goes out but cash comes in, so that's why cash account is debited. See this, cash account, how much cash comes in? 30,000. Okay, next, so at the time of sale of machine we have to calculate either profit or loss. See this, calculation of profit or loss, cost of machine. What is the cost of machine? 75,000. Okay, less total depreciation. Okay, less total depreciation. See this, first year we provided depreciation 7,500, second year we provided 6,750, third year we provided depreciation 6,075. See this, 7,500 plus 6,750 plus 6,075, 20,325 rupees depreciation. This is a total depreciation. See this, 75,000 cost, we provided depreciation 20,325, remaining 54,675. So this is the value at end of the third year, so the value is 54,675, but Shiva Traders sold at 30,000, means sale value is less than the actual value, so automatically the remaining value is treated as loss. See this, remaining 24,675 is a loss. right? At the time of loss, profit and loss account is debited. Okay, so automatically remaining machinery account is credited. So we have to write in the credit side by profit and loss account, the bracket loss. How much? 24,675. Okay, next, here is no balance to carry because the machine is sold on this particular year. Okay, that's it. See this 60,750, 60,750. Once we will check, see this 6,075 plus 30,000 plus 24,675, 60,075, 750. Okay, that's it. Thank you.